So today we're going to be making a flexible humpback whale that is a print in place. You print it as just two pieces and the whole thing is flexible when you're done. So join me as we build this. So first of all, the links to the files are in the description below if you want to give a go yourself. We're going to be starting with two pieces that we need to print out: the full body, which prints nice and flat on the bed, and then we have the head, which goes on top. Now, the interesting part here is they've made it with a really nice connection piece between the head and the body. Some real thought has gone into this and it looks really quite good, and it just kind of snaps together. And it's a surprisingly solid connection. And then of course you've got a fully complete whale that is very flexible. For this one, I decided to give it a spray paint on the back to make it look a bit more like an actual whale. But I think it came out looking pretty good. And the overall design of this is brilliant. It really moves beautifully and it looks very, very good. And this is the final version right here.